Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to swap the SSD or NVMe of a Dell laptop. I'll be working on a Dell Latitude 5420. This is Core i7 laptop with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD. Let's open the laptop. In order to open the laptop, we need a toolkit. By using the screwdrivers, we will open all the screws from the back of the laptop. Make sure all the screws are open and then lift the back of the laptop. The back cover of the laptop is clipped with the laptop, therefore we have to use these plastic tools to remove those clips so that we can lift the back cover. Before lifting the back cover, make sure all the clips are removed, otherwise you might break the cover. You can replace the hard drive because of any reason. You might need a new hard drive or bigger space, or your existing hard drive is not working well. On the left side of the laptop, you see the NVMe. It's screwed with two screws. Make sure to remove the screws before lifting the NVMe. NVMe is attached with the cooling pad or a heatsink. Remember to remove the heatsink or cooling pad before swapping the hard drive. You can use the same heatsink on a new SSD, put it on the top and put the hard drive back. Use 45-degree angle to put the SSD back into the motherboard, and remember to put the screws back. Now put the cover back and make sure all the clips stay properly seated in the laptop. Tie all the screws back and remember, make sure there's no gaps between the cover and the laptop. Now your laptop should be ready to use. Thank you for watching the video.